In this video, I'll show you how to use bonus in Mostbet. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So before we continue, I'd advise you create a professional Mostbet account. To do that, click on register, choose the phone or email address option or advise the email address, and then you choose your country. Once you choose your country, choose your currency US dollar, fill in your email address and your password. When you come down to the promo code box, you use the promo code Renzo TV. If you use the promo code Renzo TV, Mostbet is going to give you up to 400 US dollars as your first deposit bonus. Once you use the promo code Renzo TV, click on confirm. Once that is confirmed, the promo code is going to be applied. Fill in every other detail and then click on register. Now that you've created your account, let's continue. If you create your account and claim your bonus after depositing your money, this is how you have to use it. Now to use it, you have to click on your menu. On your menu, you're going to see these three options of here. You have bonus, coins, and bonuses. So bonus here is the money that you've claimed after creating the video. For now, I don't really have it because I haven't claimed it yet. But once you claim it, you're going to see bonus here, and the amount is going to reflect under the option of bonus. So if you want to use your bonus, all you have to do is come on, click over on it, and then you're going to see your bonus here. So once you click on it, you can go ahead now and then choose any bet you want to bet on. Like for instance, you can go over to sports or esports and then choose any sport you want to bet with. And the money you're going to go ahead and bet with is going to be from your bonus account. So once you bet and you win, the money is going to be won and then it can be sent now to your real account in Mostbet. But the first you have to do is just have to come over here and select the account you want to use before you place a bet. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this.